When Dr. Hulen and I were first working together, and he came and lived in my area as I picked his brain to write the book, I went over to the room he was staying in one day. I left him alone for a while to rest. And I said, well, what have you been doing? Did you take a nap? And he said, no, I've been watching TV. And I said, oh, what were you watching on TV? And he said, I've been watching the news. And I was appalled. It was like, I tell people, turn off the news. God, if you want to be sane, turn off the mainstream news. Give it no mind. Don't pay attention to that. And here he is watching it intentionally. And I said, why are you watching the mainstream news? He said, so I can clean on what's coming up for me. He was using it purposely to trigger himself. As he's looking at it, he's got feelings. He might be upset. But instead of throwing something at the TV or going on social media and just upsetting the rest of the world, goes inside himself and says, I'm upset. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm upset. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. He's using what he saw as the trigger, and as he removes it in him, just like at the mental hospital, the outer changes.
This program is designed to teach you everything from the basics to the advanced of Ho'oponopono. So you know this, and you can live this, and you can practice this, and you can teach it to others if you like. Now, this is a program for you because you're here and because you're paying attention to what I'm having to say. Obviously, you came here for a reason. Obviously, you're interested in Ho'oponopono, and you're probably interested in being certified as a certified Ho'oponopono practitioner. Well, if all of that is true, then all you have to do now is review this page, and then if you're interested and you feel your heart is nudging at you or tugging at you or inspiring you to sign up for this, I say do it. I say that there are moments in life that change your life forever. They're those defining moments when you make a decision, and that decision takes you in a new direction or a deeper direction. And I believe that's what's going on here today. This has been a new direction for me, for Guitar Monk Matthew Dixon, for all the people at Statbrook and Global Sciences who are behind this certification program. And I invite you to review this, sit with it, meditate on it, and if it really feels like it's right for you, then go ahead and sign up for it. You will love the detail. You will love the program. If you already love Ho'oponopono, then this is going to make you even more passionately in love with this life-altering technology or modality or spirituality, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, Ho'oponopono has changed my life. It's changed everybody's life, including Dr. Hulen, including Guitar Monk Matthew Dixon. All of us have been changed by this very simple program. But don't be deceived by how simple Ho'oponopono is. I was on a call recently where people were asking me questions about Ho'oponopono and how do they say the phrases? Who do they say the phrases to? Do they say them to other people? Do they say them inside themselves? What order do they say them in? Why do they have to say the phrases at all? Why do they have to say, I love you, I'm sorry? What else can they do besides the phrases? They had all these questions, and I realized even with the trainings that are out there, even with my books that are out there, even with the available information that you can find by Googling around, there isn't everything in one place like there is now. And now not only can you get all of the education and absorb it and use it and practice it and change your life, but you can be certified as a Ho'oponopono practitioner. So this is the best of all worlds. So I encourage you, review the site. If it feels right, if you feel inspired, sign up. Meanwhile, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you.